How to check who recently unfollowed you on Instagram. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then tap on this three-line icon. After that, tap on Account Center. Inside here, scroll below, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Just like that, tap on Export Your Information. Then tap on Create Export. After that, choose your Instagram account. Now tap on Export to Device. And then tap on Customize All Information. Just like that, choose the information you want to download and make sure following and followers are selected. After that, tap on Save, then tap on Start Export. Now, you'll receive an email notification when your file is ready. You can go back to your Instagram, enter your password and download the file, and it will open in the Files app. Just like that, you can open the File app and then select Followers and Following and compare the list to see who recently unfollowed. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.